friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be talking about how you can actually set up the internet speed meter on the top of the notification in the Mi10i 5G device. So this is a Mi10i 5G device, friends, and there is an inbuilt internet speed meter present in this phone. So right now, as you can see, friends, the internet speed meter is going on. Currently, I'm downloading the application from the Play Store and showing the real time internet speed as well. As you can see, 6.8 Mbps, so which is really useful feature nowadays in the mobile phones, that whether you're getting in any internet connection or not, in case if you want to see what is the download speed is going on here. So even this internet speed meter works for the Wi-Fi connection or for the 4G data as well. For both it will be working, so you can even track the what is the download speed maximum you are reaching right now. As you can see, so for me the maximum I will be reaching around 6.6 Mbps, only the maximum I will be reaching here. And in this video I'll be trying to explain, friends, how you can actually set up this thing in the Mi10i 5G device. And make sure to check the links in description, friends, for more details about this Mi10i 5G. There is a separate playlist available for this device, so that playlist will be giving you a clear idea whether to buy this phone or not. So make sure to watch entire playlist for more details about this device. So let's get started how you can actually set up this thing. So first you need to go to the display option and go to the settings, and in the settings just scroll down. So try to scroll down, friends, and I already did a separate video on this dark mode as well, and reading mode, and this real time FPS count meter as well. So for all these videos try to check the playlist. And there's an option called the control center and the notification share, as you can clearly see. So just tap on that and you will be welcoming with all these kind of options. So there's an option called show connection speed. So initially it will be disabled, so now you need to enable that option, as you can see. So as soon as you enable, the real-time internet speed meter will be coming on the notification bar. So in this way you will be able to see the real-time internet speed. So before I used to use some other third-party applications to relay on these internet speeds. So for example, in this Samsung Galaxy M51 device, so this is a Samsung Galaxy M51, I used to use this real-time meter, which is an internet speed meter, so which gives you the real-time statistics on the top. So but in the Redmi and the Poco and this phone, so there is an inbuilt FPS meter is going on, so you don't need to worry about this thing. As you can see, these are another third-party applications, but these are inbuilt in the OS, so that's a really good advantage, friends, here. And for more this kind of interesting tutorials and interesting hidden tips and tricks on this Mi10i 5G device, so make sure to subscribe and follow me regularly. And thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned, and also do check the wallpapers as well, in case if you want to download this live wallpapers. So links will be available in the description below. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.